Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate how to paint a camellia using the Chinese brush painting technique. The material I use is a Xuan paper cardstock. This is A4 size. Coloring pigments, I use yellow and the blue and some brown to make the green leaves. I'll use white for the filaments and yellow for the anthers. I use red and dark red for the camellia flower. And also, I need to use some ink for the branch. Okay, for the brush, I will use 尖毫 medium size. 尖毫 small size, and also a liner brush to draw the filaments. Okay, now let's get started.
Dip the brush in water, then mix 朱砂. Dip the tip of the brush in 胭脂 for color variation. First, paint the front petals, then gradually paint all remaining petals in sequence to form a fully bloomed camellia flower. Paint a flower bud to complement the composition. Mix 藤黄 with a little 花青 and ink to create the leaf color. Large leaf is painted in 2 strokes. Arrange several leaves into small groups. Mix a bit of water into the paint for the background leaves. Use medium to light ink to paint the branches. Blot excess water from the brush with tissue. Use dry brush technique to create textures for the branch. Use dark ink to outline the sepals. Mix 藤黄 with a little green to color the center of the flower. Mix 赭石 and 三绿 to dot the sepals. Use dark ink to draw the leaf veins. Use white to outline the filaments. Apply thick paint with minimal water. Mix 藤黄 and white to dot the anthers. Add your signature. Stamp your seal. And the painting is complete. Use the similar method. I'll demonstrate another painting of camellia. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next week.